everyone. So now we are going to start our next topic. So our next thing is subtraction. Now what we are going to do is, if I am having something with us and somebody has came to my home, I was having 5 chocolate and my sister came to me and she took away 3 from me. So what is the number which I am left with is going to be your answer of subtraction. If somebody is taking away something from you, like I was having something and I have been provided with few more things, then that is going to be your addition. And if I am having something and if somebody is taking that from me, so that is going to be your subtraction. Like you can see that earlier we were having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 balloons. Okay, then somebody came to us and he just took away 2 balloons. So after taking these 2 balloons, how many balloons will be left with me? Is your 3. Like I was having 5, among these 5 I have given 2 balloons, then how many balloons I will be left with? 1, 2 and 3. So that is your subtraction. Okay, so like we are having, this is the sign of your subtraction, which is just going to be a dash, which is also known as your minus sign. And again we will use makes for equal to. Okay, and for that we are having this sign in which we just kept 2 dash. Okay, so now we'll move to few questions of it. Exercise 1.12. Fill in the missing number by crossing out. 1 has been done for you. Like we were having 4, okay, and I am just taking 1 from you. So what you need to do is just cross the figure which I am taking from you. Like I was having 4, so 4 aeroplanes is being made for you, and I am taking 1, so I just have crossed 1. Okay, so after crossing that 1, how many are you left with? 1, 2 and 3. So this is your answer, which is 3. Now we are having 7 sharpeners in front of us. Among this I am going to take 3 from you. Okay, so we are having 7, and if I am taking 3, just cross the 3 sharpeners. So this is going to be 1, 2 and 3. Since I have crossed these 3 sharpeners, so how many I am left with? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is going to be answer 1, 2, 3 and 4. So write down the answer in this circle, which is your 4. Similarly, like you can see that I am having 8 candies over here, and from that I am going to take 4 from you. So just cross the 4 candies, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After crossing these 4 candies, how many will be left with me? This 1, 2, 3 and 4. So my answer is going to be 4, which you need to write in this circle. Okay, so now we are left with 2 more examples. You just need to do it by yourself. Okay, now count backward to subtract on a number strip. If you are having a number strip, then you can either add them or you can subtract. You can take help of this number strip also for subtracting 2 numbers. Like I am having 7 and I am subtracting 5 from it. So just directly go to the number that I have reached to 7. Okay, after that you can see that I am having a frog who is just jumping from one step to another. Now how many steps that frog need to jump is the second number, which is your 5. Okay, so from 7 just move to the back side or to the reverse side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After moving those 5 steps, the frog is being reached to the second number. So that is your answer, which is 2. Okay, so this is the method by which you can subtract using a number strip, or you can subtract the number on using your fingers. Like I was having 7 and I have subtracted 5 from it, then your answer is going to be 2. Like we are having this 5 fingers of this hand and 2 fingers of this hand. Okay, if you want to subtract 5 from it, so just subtract. This is going to be 1, 2, this 3, this 4 and this 5. So I have subtracted 5 fingers, and how many I am left with? 1 and 2. So that is going to be your answer, which is 2. So you can also use your fingers like we were doing in addition for subtracting 2 numbers. Next exercise with us, for that you can use either your number strip or your fingers, but I'll suggest you to use your fingers because it is actually less time consuming. Okay, and you will get your answer fast. It's like I'm having 6 and I'm going to subtract 2 from it. Okay, so I'm on this 6 number and I'm going to subtract 2. So just move 2 steps backward, 1 and 2. So answer is going to be 4. So write down 4. Okay. Similarly, I am having 8 minus 5. We are here on the 8 number and just move 5 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is your 5, which is 3. So we need to write 3 in this circle. Now you can see that on our finger also that I am having this 5 fingers, and after that 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and I need to subtract 5 from it, and these are 5 fingers, so I have subtracted it. How many I am left with? 1, 2 and 3, which is your answer. Okay, now just do the rest by yourself. With the help of number strip, subtract and fill in the correct answers. Now match the columns. One has been done for you. Like you are having 9 minus 5, which is going to be a 4. You just need to match it with the correct answer. For that, first of all, we just need to solve each and every answer, and now later on we will just match it with the correct answer. Like you can see that 6 minus 3 is going to be your 3. Now we are going to match it with the correct answer on this side, on which we will be having the same answer. Like when you are subtracting 9 minus 3 is going to be a 6, 9 minus 4 is going to be a 5, 5 minus 2 is going to be your 3. As you can see that 6 minus 3 is also a 3 and 5 minus 2 is also a 3. So just match these. 6 minus 3 is 3, and after that match it with this one. So this is your answer of this question. Now we'll just do the rest of the questions by yourself, as I have told you the method of doing subtraction. Now we are just going to revise what we have learnt till now. Each candy has 3 numbers. Color the candies blue that have numbers arranged from smallest to biggest. I am just doing one for you. You just need to do the remaining by yourself. You just need to color the candy which is having the correct sequence from smallest to biggest. Okay. So smallest to biggest is, first of all, we are having 3, 5 and 9. Okay, as we know that when you are counting from 1 to 10, first of all we are having 3, after that 5 and then 9. So yes, this is being arranged in smallest to biggest sequence. So we are just going to color this in blue. Similarly we are having few more examples, so just do it yourself. Color the triangle red, circles brown, rectangles orange and ovals green. Now you are having this picture which is made up of different shapes. What you are going to do is you just need to fill color in it. Okay, we are just going to color red for triangles, brown in circle, orange in rectangles and green in ovals. You can see that these are rectangles, so we are just going to put orange color into it. This is your oval, so put green color into it. This is your triangle, so we are going to put red color into it. This is again your oval, so we are going to put green color into it. This is your circle, which is going to be brown in color. So now we are having the third question in front of us. What you are going to do is just circle the shape which comes next. As we have gone through few questions of sequence, okay. So like you can see that we are having a square, triangle, square, triangle, square, okay. After that, which shape is going to come is your triangle. So what you need to do is, among these two options which you are having in your boxes, you just need to circle the correct one. So this is the correct sequence or the shape which is going to just come after this square. So we are just going to circle it. Similarly, you can see in this triangle, oval, rectangle, triangle, oval, rectangle, triangle. After that triangle, what we are having is your oval. So we are just going to circle an oval. Cross out to subtract. Now we are just going to do the same thing which we were doing earlier for subtracting something from the given objects. We just need to cross the number which is being provided, okay, which we need to take away. So like we are having these 10 stars. From this I just need to take 1. So I am just going to cross 1 star. So how many I am left with is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is going to be your answer, which is your 9. Now the next question is, use the number strip and subtract. You just need to use this number strip for subtracting the two numbers. Like I am having this second one, I am taking second one for you, which is 9 minus 5. Just go to 9 and start moving backward. How many steps we need to take backside is 5. So just go to 9. After that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. As you can see that I have reached to 4. So that is going to be your answer, and I am going to write 4 in this box. Like we are having 5 pineapples over here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. What you need to do is you just need to subtract how many pineapples are being left from here. 2 are left and we have removed 1, 2 and 3 pineapples. So the answer of this is going to be 5 minus 3, the number which is being left. Okay, so 5 minus 3 is going to be this one. Similarly, we are having 10 toffees and we have just taken away 1, 2, 3 and 4 from you. So your answer is going to be 10 minus 4. So this is going to be your correct answer. Okay, so now we are going to revise few more things. We are having our first question in which just count the number of objects and color the circle that has correct number. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to count the numbers, and we are being provided with 3 options. You need to circle or color the correct options which you are having. Like I am counting the number of balls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we are having 3 options which are your 2, 5 and 8, and now we are going to color the correct one which is your 8. So just color this 8 number. Okay, so next question is take the correct shape and color it. What you need to do is, if you just need to take the correct shape and will color it. Shape of bangle is of which shape? Is circle, rectangle or triangle? Bangle is which your mom used to wear in their hands, which is known as चूड़ियाँ जो वो पहनते हैं. What you are going to do is you just need to just check the shape of that. We know that the shape of that bangles are circular. So what you are going to do is just put a correct or a tick in this box. Shape of postcard is your rectangular, so we are going to take this one. Add the following by drawing dots. What you need to do is we are just going to draw few dots. Like we are having 3, so we are going to put 1, 2 and 3 dots. For 4 we are going to put 4 dots, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After adding these dots, what you are going to get is 7. 3 from this and 4 from this. 3 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 is going to be your answer. Now the last question is circle the shape that comes next. We have done this question earlier also, so I am leaving this for you. Just do it yourself. Okay, so now as we are done with this chapter of class 1st mathematics, I just want all of you to just take help of your parents or your elders to complete your worksheet and just to learn few more things about it. Thank you.